Words on screen, Black Canyon of the Gunnison National Park, hands-on activity, erosion demonstration. Ranger outside of a building.
We learned that the Black Canyon was carved by the Gunnison River, which carried away pieces of rock little by little over time. This process of rock and soil being moved from one place to another is called erosion. In this video, I'll show you how you can create a model at home to see the power of erosion. For this activity, you'll need some dirt. Mine's in a pan, but you could find dirt on the ground too. A cup of water, your field notes sheet, and a pencil. Now to start, make sure you're in a place where it's okay to make a mess. And you're going to begin by using your hands to move the dirt into a mountain. Shape this mountain, and I'd recommend starting a little gully in the middle too. Now it's important to make an observation of what your landscape looks at the beginning. So take a minute and draw a picture on your field notes sheet.
Supplies on a table next to the ranger.
First we'll show how rain showers affect your landscape. And to do this, you'll reach into your water cup, get your fingers nice and wet, and just gently drip some raindrops on top of your landscape. Do this 2 or 3 times. Now it's your turn. Make a prediction for how rain showers will affect your landscape. Then try it and record your observations.
Ranger kneeling next to the table of supplies.
Did you see many changes from the rain shower? Probably not, but imagine if rain showers like this went on for 1,000,000 years. Maybe we'd see some changes. Next, we're going to show how spring snow melt affects the landscape. As the snow melts in April and May, all that water flows into the rivers, which causes erosion, pieces of rock to move. To model this, we're going to pour about 1/3 of our cup of water down the slope of our landscape.
Water pouring onto dirt mound.
Now it's your turn. Write a prediction, then try it and record your observations. Last, we're going to simulate what happens when an intense rainstorm happens over a short period of time. Sometimes this causes events that we call flash floods. And to model this, we're going to dump the rest of the water over our landscape at once.
Water flowing over the dirt and splashing over the pan.
Now it's your turn. Write a prediction, then try it and record your observations of how a flash flood changes the landscape. Now it might not seem like we've seen a lot of changes, but all of the water down at the bottom is brown. That's evidence of the rock pieces that have been carried down the slope. This is erosion in action. Now that you've modeled erosion, I challenge you to look for examples near where you live. There are landscapes carved by erosion all around us.
Words on screen. Visit us online at www.ns.gov/blca. Look for the education pages.